Right now, you are now tuned in. Pen crispy. I'm still. If they ain't looking, I don't want it. If they ain't looking, I don't want it. If they ain't looking, I don't want that girl now. Yes, hey girl, you know that I do it for you. Baby, tell me what you know about it. You don't know about it. I think that you bout it. No Master P, girl. Stop. Baby, don't tell me no. You're coming home tonight.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, CrySTYLE Beauty. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this high ponytail using only one bundle. It's super simple and easy, so make sure you keep on watching. If you're not a subscriber, please make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and also welcome to my channel. Turn on the post notifications so you won't miss a thing, and give this video a big thumbs up right now. Alright, so I'm going to start brushing my hair up into a ponytail. And then I'm tying it with two hair ties. Alright, so the hair that I will be using is the hair that I did for my U-part wig. This was the last bundle, and I didn't have anything else to do with it, so I'm gonna make this little ponytail. Okay, so since my hair is really long and it's not in the same pattern as the hair, I'm just going to put it in a tight bun. And I tie it down again with another hair tie. Alright, so I'm going to take the end of this weft, and they are in doubles, so I do have two. And I'm going to put a bobby pin at the end. My bobby pin is at the end, and I'm going to put that part under my ponytail. So, put the bobby pin under the ponytail. And then start wrapping the hair around. And then, so I got to the end of the other side. So I'm going to take another bobby pin put it through the left and secure it under my bun. Alright, so now I'm going to take a small section like this and just wrap it around the base of the ponytail just so you won't see the weft. Alright, so I'm just going to pull down some baby hairs. And you can leave it to the back, or you can just flip it to the side. Like
that. If they ain't looking, I don't want it. If they ain't looking, I don't want it. If they ain't looking, I don't want that girl. Hey girl, you know that I do it for you. Baby, tell me what you know about it. You don't know about it. I think that you bout it. No Master P, girl. Stop. Baby, don't tell me no. You're coming home tonight.